How to fix Camtasia for macOS not uninstalling. Here's a script file you can use to uninstall Camtasia from macOS. #bin/bash #stop the Camtasia application osascript quit app Camtasia 2022 #remove the Camtasia application and its associated file sudo rmrf/application/camtasia /2022.app rmrf/library/application /support/techsmith/application /com.techsmith.camtasia/rmrf/library/application /support/com.techsmith.TechSmith uploader/rmrf/library/caches/com.techsmith.camtasia/ rmrf/library/caches/com.techsmith.TechSmith uploader/rmrf/library/log/techsmith/rmrf/library/preferences/com.techsmith.camtasia.plist rmrf/library/preferences/com.techsmith.TechSmith Uploader.plist rmrf/library/save/application /state/com.techsmith.camtasia.savedState rmrf/library/save/application /state/com.techsmith.TechSmith Uploader.savedState echo Camtasia has been uninstalled from your Mac. To use this script, simply copy and paste it into a text editor and save it with a .sh file extension, e.g. uninstall_camtasia.sh. Then open terminal on your Mac and navigate to the directory where the script file is saved. Finally, run the script by typing /uninstall_camtasia.sh, without the quotes, and pressing enter. This will execute the script and uninstall Camtasia from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.